Hi, my name's Stuart. Welcome to another drone video on flying Wiener. We are out just outside of Vienna. We are in Pottendorf today, and behind me is the castle ruin, the Schlossruine Pottendorf. It's actually quite interesting. It's got a historical context. It's been around since the 12th century, and it was used first by the Nazis and then by the Soviet Union to treat wounded soldiers. It was given back to the family who own it in 1955, and they unfortunately weren't able to do the upkeep for it, and that's why you see it has deteriorated quite a lot. It has been bought by the council here for a measly sum of 600,000 euros, including the huge park around me that's got 211,000 square metres, but it seems that plans to restore it are slowly progressing. We're lucky because this gives us a unique opportunity to see the ruin and all its decay from above and everything. You'll see in a second there is no roof at all. And I will even try to fly inside the building. I'll get the drone started and I hope you enjoy these shots. quite fascinating to see the building and all of its individual bits and pieces. The pigeons nesting in one of the towers, it's all quite interesting. As you saw, the chapel at the front, that has been restored more recently. That's why it looks decidedly different to the actual castle. I hope you enjoyed. I like this area quite a lot. I would highly recommend it if you want to have a nice little walk in the park, or just maybe a picnic in the summer. Very, very beautiful area. Or if you have a drone yourself. I tried to fly through a window. I did fly through one window. My hope was that I could fly through maybe to the center of the building, but I must admit I was a bit too afraid because you have to disable the sensors to fly through the window, and I wasn't really up to the task, I must admit. I was fearing for my drone, but I flew through one window at the very least. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like on the video if you did. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. There will of course be more drone videos on flying Wiener, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.